Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright you guys, so today's video it's going to be super fun for me because it's going to be an eye look that I really enjoy doing. Of course I love me a natural eyeshadow look, but I also love to just go creative and create any type of looks. So the other day, the video that I did on the high-end makeup, I only reviewed the high-end makeup and how they work, but I didn't show you guys how I created that purple glam glittery eye looks. So two of you beauties comment on my video and asked me to recreate a tutorial focusing just on the eyeshadows, and it honestly makes me super happy that you guys are just loving my eyeshadow looks. And in that video I wanted to show you guys how I created that look so bad, but I also didn't want the video to be super long. I just wanted to focus on the high-end makeup only. So thanks to those two beauties who comment on my video. But yeah my loves, if you are excited to watch this eyeshadow makeup tutorial, then before we start the video, if you are already subscribed, welcome back to my channel. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Please don't forget to click the bell notification because that will let you guys know whenever I post new videos. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Like every morning I have to drink a glass of water because if I eat late at night, when I wake up I feel like I am super bloated. So that's why a glass of water just helped me drain all of that thing that I ate last night. Alright you guys, so if you want to see just the eyeshadow look, I'm going to leave the information right here so that way you guys just jump into the eyeshadow. But if you want to know the whole process, then continue watching. Okay you guys, so can we take a moment and just see how comfortable this shirt is? I got this shirt on Fashion Nova. It's the oversized shirt, and oh my god, it is just absolutely so comfortable and so pretty. But anyways guys, just let's continue and do our makeup. The first thing I'm gonna do, I already moisturized my face, so we're gonna go ahead and prime our face. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Prime, so I'm gonna apply it right here. Okay you guys, so I'm gonna put my hair on my back so that way we have space to put our foundation. So the foundation that I'm gonna be wearing today is from Milani, and this is in the shade Natural Beige. And going with my Juno Eco sponge, which is absolutely so gorgeous, I'm gonna go ahead and blend my foundation. So now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. I will be using the NYX matte bronzer. This is like my go-to bronzer since I switched from the butter bronzer. I love this one as well, and it smells super duper nice. But ever since I bought this one, I've just been using this one. I obviously love this one so much as well, but again, you know, when you buy new things you want to use it like a lot of times. And now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my face. I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Then I'm going back with my contour brush and just like blend the concealer and the bronzer together. Like lately I've been so clumsy. I'm just like dropping my brushes It's insane. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and also I just turned on my AC. I don't know if you guys heard that in my intro, but if you did, I'm so sorry. But with the translucent powder, I'm gonna go with the Laura Mercier. I recently bought this and I've been loving it so much. And that's it guys, this is how I did my makeup base. I'm going to apply translucent powder right here because when I do my eyeshadow, if there's any fallout, at least it's going to fall on the powders. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I created the purple eye look. And the palette that I use is this baby right here. This is the Jeffree Star palette, and this palette is absolutely so beautiful. Look at the packaging, so cute. So let me tell you a sad story that happened with this palette. The other day I was cleaning my house and I tried to put this like on top of a cabinet, and out of nowhere it fell down and I lost one important shade that I was supposed to use for this eye look, and now I can't use it. So everything is good, but unfortunately I lost the black shimmer shade that this palette had, and when I saw that I was so sad, but at least I didn't lose all the shades. So I'm going to have to use like a matte black eyeshadow for the outer corner. So we're gonna go ahead and prime our face. The primer I'm gonna be using is the Pilouise base primer. This is in the base 2, but if you don't have a primer base, you could always use concealer. I used to use concealer before the Pilouise and it worked absolutely fine as well. So I'm going to apply it right here, and then I'm going to grab a clean brush and start blending the primer. And then I'm going with my sponge and I'm just going to blend it. Alright guys, so now we are ready to apply our eyeshadow. So the first eyeshadow that I'm going to apply on my outer corner, it's going to be this one right here, and this is in the shade Vivid Mood. And you want to go ahead and apply it right here, just like on top of the crease. So as you guys are noticing, I'm just first packing the eyeshadow, and then after I'm gonna go ahead and blend the eyeshadow. And then after this, I'm just gonna apply it over here. I don't want to apply too much because I'm going to apply the black shade as well, just a tiny bit. Okay you guys, so for my inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this shade right here, and this is in the shade Scandal Water. As you guys notice, the brush, it is more like a small pointy brush. Again, you're just packing the color, and then once you feel satisfied, you're gonna go ahead and blend it out. So for my outer corner, I used this shade, this black shade that fell off, and it was in the shade Executor. But since I don't have the shade anymore, I'm gonna go ahead and use the black shade from the Morphe x Jeffree Star palette, which is this one right here, and this is in the shade Fast Lane. So grabbing a tiny brush, if you guys have the Morphe brushes, I'm using the M152, and I'm going to grab that black shade and I'm going to start applying it on my outer corner. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply a shimmer shade right here on my inner corner. And the shade that I used was this one right here in the middle. And this is in the shade Pink Magic. Grabbing a small flat brush, I'm gonna grab that baby. I'm going to apply small setting spray. This is gonna help it stick a little bit more. You don't really need to apply a purple shimmer shade. You could apply any shimmer shade in your inner corner and it's going to come out super cute as well. And yeah guys, this is how I created this look. I'm gonna go off camera and do exactly the same step on this side of the eyes, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. So this is the completed look of this look. So the only difference is the eyelashes. In that video, I believe I used the Msbeauty lashes in the style Insta Hold because that's my go-to eyelashes. But I recently reviewed these lashes from Mama Mitchell in my previous video, and I've been loving it for dramatic looks like this. So that's why I decided to just switch the eyelashes a bit. So for the under eyes, I didn't really do much because I didn't want to go that extreme. So in that case, the only thing that I did was apply a black eyeliner on my eyelid. So this is the Revlon Color Stay black eyeliner. And then I'm gonna apply a mascara underneath my eyelashes, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Okay you guys, so the other thing that I want to apply is a shimmer shade in my inner corner. So with that, I'm gonna go with this one right here, which is called Wet Jewel. I'm gonna go ahead and apply blush on my cheeks, and the blush that I'm gonna be using is from Juvia's Place, and this is in the shade Serafina. And going with the highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Benefit highlighter. So we are almost done with this makeup look. The last thing I'm gonna do is my lips. And to outline my lips, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade So Rare. And the lipstick that I will be wearing, it's also from Juvia's Place in the shade Libra. And that is it guys. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe x Jeffree Star setting spray. This setting spray is absolutely my favorite because first of all, the smell, the scent, it smells super good. So let me go ahead and set this entire face. Alright you guys, so that completes this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much like I did. And before I end the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And most importantly, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And yeah my loves, thank you so much for watching. And without any further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day. And I will see you guys in my next video.